fun. That's rich. Everyone acts like they're just so into skeletons on Halloween. But the moment an actual skeleton shows up, it's who dug up Grandpa's grave? And why does his shambling corpse refuse to rest? Sometimes I just want someone to hang out with, you know? If only I could find a friend. Huh. Well, hello there, little guy. Are you lonely too? Or, of course you can be my friend. We skeletons have to stick together. Yes, Irie. You want the bone? Huh, boy, come on, try and get it. Haha. Hi, I'm Clarence. Wanna play with me? Oh, you must be the new guy. Sorry, guy, I don't play. You don't? Nope. Have you met Fran and Petty, though? They'd definitely be interested. Oh. Do you think they'll like me? Boy howdy, I'm positive they'll just love you. Yay, here I go. Have fun. Haha. Poor Gope. Your Majesty, I know I'm just a mouse, but I wish to ask for your daughter's hand in marriage. T-Cell. A brave one, aren't you? Very well. But first you must prove yourself by defeating my sons in battle. You've got guts, mouse. I like that. Now lay down your sword. If you wish to bet me, it must be on equal ground. Oh, you did not just take the last macho. Haha. What are you going to do about it? Fight me? Maybe I will. Do you forget that I'm literally Liu Kang? Hero of Earth, real man, the grand champion of Mortal Kombat, undisputed in the original timeline? Of course I don't. After all, it was you who trained me. Round 1. Fight. Hey, sorry about the incident with the malfunctioning robot yesterday. It's okay, it didn't make that big of mess. Well, to make up for it, I got you a present. You like dogs, right? I love dogs. Then feast your eyes on the ultimate dog. Dogbot V1.3. It might not look much like an actual dog, but trust me, it's way better. It comes equipped with a fully functioning laser cannon and 3 USB charging ports. Can it play? Play? Oh, yes. I'm sure Piper will just love the play functionality. So according to recent market research, our projected cereal sales are unfortunately kind of terrible. Owly pellets. They're regurgitastic. To remedy this, I propose we go straight for the real problem. You, the mascot. You're clearly not charismatic enough. Okay. What do you suggest? Well, just tell me what you see here. What do all these popular cereal mascots have in common? They're all blithe. White males between the ages of 20 and 65. Hats, my friend. They're all wearing hats. With all due respect, I don't think the mascot is the problem. I think the cereal is just nonsense. Just trust me. You are going to sell so much cereal. What's wrong, Miss Owl? Can't find any mice in all this snow? Matt. You mean being able to spot prey from above isn't advantageous in this situation? Oh, how awful. Matt. Well, don't you worry about lil old me. I certainly won't starve just because a little snow got in my way.